In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to save these last few days of the half term to make sure you get the grades that you want. The first thing I want to talk to you about is your mentality. It's really easy to beat yourself up when you feel like you've wasted time. You might be thinking, I should have started earlier, or I've already messed this up. But the truth is, regret doesn't get you marks, action does. Do not think about the lost time. Instead, shift your mindset to focus entirely on what we can do now to get as many marks as possible in the next round of exams using the next 3 to 4 days. And here's what I would do in the next few days as an example for GCSE. You'll have an extra day with Monday to revise as well. If you need any help making a timetable, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. One of the best ways to structure your day is by breaking it down into 3 parts: the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. Where in the morning, you learn new content, in the afternoon, do some practice, and then in the evening, do some light revision. A quick tip regarding the structure is that the first half of the day is golden. Your brain is more focused, so this is the time to tackle the hardest topics or the subjects you're behind on. Save the easier stuff for later. And finally, this part is hard, but really important. Don't waste these 3 to 4 days. Say no to distractions, say no to plans, say no to anything that doesn't serve towards your goal right now. You can enjoy your life after your exams. In terms of what you should revise, focus on the things that will give you the biggest return. High yield topics, which are the ones that are most likely to come up, or topics that you know you're weak on, or a smart mix of both. You will have time in between exams to revise the other topics as well, or to do some more practice questions. To identify these topics, you could ask yourself, what topic can I revise that will stop me from blanking in the exam? I would watch YouTube videos going through these topics, but make sure you're not just passively watching. Pause the video, write down key points in your own words, and check you actually understand what's being said. If it's an essay subject, use summary videos to make sure you know how to answer each type of question, and after the videos, answer practice questions or plan essay questions. This will implement active recall to help improve your memory. You could use blurting and flashcards as well, and always check your answers with the mark scheme. This shows you exactly what examiners are looking for, so you can improve before the real thing. And since we don't have that much time left, it's important that we focus and use our energy effectively. A smart tip is to tackle the hardest subject or task first thing in the morning, because your energy and concentration are highest earlier in the day, and it's much easier to get those difficult things done then rather than pushing them to the evening where you're tired and less motivated. With regards to focusing, remove all distractions. Remind yourself that there's plenty of time to scroll and relax after exams, but right now it's all about discipline. Also think about the environment that you're in. This includes the type of music you listen to and how organized your study area is. Something I like to do as well is give myself a reward when I complete a difficult task, like time on my phone or a snack. Give yourself something to look forward to after a productive session, as that motivates you to stay focused when you work. And something that helps with both focus and energy is taking regular breaks throughout the day. This will help you recharge so you can study consistently within the next couple of days. And I just wanted to remind you that in these last couple of days, you can get a lot done if you actually focus. And there's still plenty of marks up for grabs in most subjects. Remind yourself why you need or want to revise. Keep that in your mind and get studying. And by the way, I'm Soumya, and if you have any questions, I'm here in the comments to help you out, and I'll get back quite quickly as well.